here, Ron. What are we doing, Uma? They being brats. What, Uma? You gonna come out in the water with Mom? Don't go, it's scary. Ron, don't take her in over her head. Thank you. Uma, get out of that. Come on, silly. You're going to get stuck. Come on. What are you doing? If Sargy can go where, you can go where Sargy can go. Because his legs are 3 inches long. Oh, big girl. Maybe not. Not gonna come all the way out to where Mom is. Oh yeah, you did. Go, good girl. Oh, don't go over there. It's too deep. Go back over the other side now. Good girl. Okay, we're going in, guys. It's late. Ooh, you did it again. What a big girl. Now we're both soaked. Yeah, if Ron goes there, you'll go there. Uma, don't get stuck in that. I can't come get you out of that. Oh, you're going to get brave all of a sudden. Good girl.